Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Jab. This is a set based on arrangement of people. It says that there are five girls, A, B, C, D, E, you can call them. They attended a person's wedding and they were photographed. Okay, it is given that the photographer advised them to pose in triplets. So in each photograph there were three people. Okay, and the shortest among the three would stand in the center. Okay. Now, then he clicked all the possible combinations, all the possible combinations, and we are given that the photos were numbered 001, 002, 003, and so on. Okay. Now let us find out how many combinations would be there. So there are five people, and each photo contains three people, right? So the number of photos will be 5C3, which is 10 photos. Okay, and since there are 10 photos and each photo has 10 people, so total 30, and there are 5 people, right? So each person will be in 6 person will be in the photos 6 times. This is something important that you should know, that there are 10 photographs. Okay, and each person will be present in 6 photographs because 10 into 3 30 faces, so each person equally distributed 6 times. Now let us write the numbers of photographs. So we know that last number will be 0, 1, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's put it this way. It says that the heights in ascending order are this. So A is less than B, B is less than C. Right. So that is given to us. Diksha did not pose for the photographs whose last digits was prime. Right. Now she is not present in 2, 3, 5, and 7. And we know a person is present 6 times. So she will be present in 1, will be present in 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Eva was not present in the third photograph. So in this photograph, you do not have D, you do not have E. So it will contain A, B, C. Right. So let us write the names. So do not worry about the height, arrangement of people. It is given that the shortest person was standing in between. So A will stand in between B and C. That is not important. We just need to find out the three people. Okay. So A, B, C will be present in this photograph. Chitra featured in 4 consecutive photos, but only one of them was with Diksha. Okay, so C is present in 4 consecutive photos, but in only one of them you will have D there. Okay, so now you cannot have C in these photos because at least 2 times you will have D. Even if you take C like this, right, D will be present in 2 photographs. If you take 1, 2, 3, 4, C will be present in D will be present in 2 photographs, right? So one thing could be 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, like if you take photos number 1, 2, 3, 4, D is present 2 times. Okay. So like this, if you think that you will only be one possibility that C is present in 2, 3, 4, and 5, and D is present only in one of the photographs. Okay. So this is very, very important to find out which are these 4 photographs, and that is possible in only one case, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So in this, all these photographs, you have C present. Okay. All right. So if you have figured this out, that is a good point to figure out in this particular question. Now next is Aarti was present in 5, 6, 7. Right. So just put A here. 6 also A is present. 7 is also A is present. That is also figured out. DSC did not have the tallest or the shortest person. So A and E are not present. It will have B, C, and D. Okay. So that is also done. Okay. Chitra was at the center in DSC 004. Who is at the center? Shortest is at the center. Okay. So that means she is the shortest in this. So that means that other people are D and E. Right. That is why she will be in the center because she is the shortest in this. Right. So in 004, you have D, C, and E present. This is also done. There were 3 pairs of consecutive photographs in which Eva posed. What does this mean? This means that 3 pairs of कॉन्जिक्यूटिव फोटोग्राफ्स, 3 पेयर्स हैं, पेयर का मतलब क्या होता है, 2 फोटोग्राफ्स एट अ टाइम, ठीक है, ऑफ कॉन्जिक्यूटिव फोटोग्राफ्स, मतलब क्या है, राइट, सो दिस मीन्स कि आइदर 1 2, ठीक है, 1 2 के बाद एक गैप है, सपोज 3 वाली में नहीं है, देन 4 5, फिर मान लो बीच में गैप है, 6 7 में नहीं है, 8 9, ठीक है, मतलब इस तरह के केस यहाँ पे बनेंगे, 2 3 5 6 9 10, ऐसे कुछ भी केस बन सकते हैं, राइट, इट कुड बी लाइक इट कुड बी 1 2 4 5 7 8, ऐसे कुछ भी केस बन सकते हैं वेयर देर आर 2 कॉन्जिक्यूटिव, मतलब लगातार 2 होंगे, फिर बीच में गैप होगा, फिर लगातार 2 होंगे, फिर बीच में गैप होगा, फिर लगातार 2 होंगे, दैट इज व्हाट इज मेंट, 3 pairs of consecutive photographs, 2 consecutive photographs, then gap, then 2 consecutive, then gap, then 2 consecutive, okay, so that is what is meant by this statement. Okay, now we know that 4, she is present in 4, so she cannot be present in 3, that is already filled, so she has to be present in 5 also. Okay, now she cannot be present in 6, right, now if you see this, she is not present in 6, either she will be present in 7 8, or she has to be present in 8 9, ठीक है, 3 बार होना है ना, तो 1 1 तो यहाँ बन गया, right, another she cannot be present here, she cannot be present here, right, so she is either here or either here, so what does that mean, that she is compulsorily present in 8, ठीक है, 8 में है ही है, she can be in 7 or she can be in 9 also, ठीक है, तो 8 में compulsory हो गई, like this is the sort of logic that you should be applying, that she has to be present in either 7 8 or 8 9, so in either case she will be present in 8. Okay, now she is also present in a third, there have to be 3 times, right, these were just examples, right, so she has to be present in 1 and 2, ठीक है, 3 बार लगातार आएंगी ना, दो, एक यहाँ पे आ गई, फिर यहाँ पे आई, फिर इन दोनों में से किसी एक में बनेगा, राइट, सो दैट वी विल फिगर आउट लेटर, बट फॉर नाउ वी नो दैट शी इज प्रेजेंट इन दीज टू, in this for sure, and it could be 7 or 9, got it. Bharti was not present in 001, while Chitra was not present in 006. So Chitra is not present in 6, right? E will not be present. So who will be present? B will be present. ठीक है, C present नहीं है और E present नहीं होगी तो B present होगी. Bharti was not present in 001. So B is not present. ठीक है, A and C are to be left, right? देखो यहाँ पे ABCD आना चाहिए, B is not present. Right, a या c बचता है, now D C and E are already present, so that means it will be D E and A. Okay, so this is how we have figured out. Now we've used all the conditions. Okay, so what we need to find out the combinations that are left. ठीक है, अब let us first find out कि किस किस की फोटोज कितनी बची हैं, A B C D E, तो D के तो सारे हो गए थे, ठीक है, लेट अस फाइंड आउट ई की एक फोटो बची है, we'll have to find out where E will fit, A 1 2 3 4 5, so A की एक फोटो बचती है, B is present in 1 2 3 3 में 1 2, so B is to be fit in 3 photos, right, and then you have C 1 2 3 4, so C की दो फोटोज बचती है, right, so we have to place 7 things, right, to 2 3 4 5 6, एक किसी का कम हो रहा है, लेट अस रीचेक, 1 2 3 4 5, ई की एक बची है, A 1 2 3 4 5, ए का एक बचा है, C 1 2 3 4 5, अच्छा C का भी एक ही बचा है, right, so we have to fit B 3 times, C 1 time, and B 3 times, and basically all others 1 time. Okay, now if you see this, CE CE के साथ क्या आ सकता है, CE तो आ चुका है, ठीक है, D is already filled, either it will be A or B. Okay, so CEA तो आ चुका है, right, CEA is present here, so it will be CEB, so B का एक कम हो गया, right? So B we have to fit in 2 photographs. Now DE के साथ क्या आ सकता है? A, B या C, right? DEA is already present. DE DEC is also present. DEA भी है, DEC भी है, तो बच गया DE के साथ B आना चाहिए. So this will be DEB. Okay, so B has to be present in one of the photographs. ठीक है, अब एक में A आना है, B, C and E. Okay, so A is present here, right? So A यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. So A is done. B, C and E we have to fill. D A के साथ B आ चुका है, right? D A B आ चुका है, तो D A B नहीं होगा. So that will be D A C और E. D A E भी हो चुका है, so D A C is left, right? So D A C ये हो जाएगा. So that will be B and E. A, B and E. So these are the 10 photographs and the 10 persons present in them, right? So it was quite interesting how to fill these 10 people, 3 people per photograph in these 10 photographs. Okay, now we can answer the questions. In how many pictures did Bharti stand in the center? Could have been answered without even making the formation, right? Because it says in how many pictures did Bharti stand in the center. So it means that Bharti, if she stands in the center, so that means she is the shortest, right? So Bharti is the shortest. Then there have to be 2 other people, right? It should not have Aarti, right? So it should have Chitra, Diksha and Eva, right? So that would be basically selecting 2 people out of 3, right? So there are 3 such photographs. We want to count. Bharti will stand in the center when so we can count also, right? B, C, D. Okay, because B is the shortest. It could be B, C, E, right? And it could be B, D, E. So 3 photographs mein hoga. Obviously, we do not have to, no need to make arrangements. You could answer this question without making arrangement. Which pic featured Aarti, Chitra and Diksha? So ACD was present in DSC 009. Aarti did not pose with Diksha in which of the following pics? So go by options. So 008. So Aarti is not in. Aarti and Diksha are not in. 8, 6, 9, 10 में होने चाहिए. 6, 9, 10. Did not pose with Diksha. 6. Yeah, so she's present there. Or some mistake in this. I think there is some mistake. Did not pose with Diksha. So 6 she posed. Right. 8 she did not pose. Right. 9 she posed. 10 में भी तो नहीं है. I think this should have been, the option should have been 001 or some other option, the wrong option, right? So just make a note of it. This is the wrong option. The answer should be, as per this, it should be 008. Okay. In which of the following photos did Chitra feature? Okay, so 7, 6, 5. 7 she is not present, 6, 5 she is present. Okay, so there is some typo in this. It should be DSC 001 or some other photograph, but not, it cannot be 10 because otherwise there would be 2 correct answers. Okay, wait, there is something else. Aarti did not pose with Diksha. Yeah, so that must be the answer. I mean, this is some typo, right? So just ignore it. Otherwise, this is the arrangement for the question.